Winning a Stevie Award means that we have successfully made our transformation, we have leveled up, and we have moved the needle as an organization from being a local company. And we have now slowly established and created our presence regionally and globally. To our employees, it also means that they will need to continue to embody, embrace, and embed the sustainable values as what Stevie Award represents. The recognition definitely strengthens our capability, our capacity, and it also boosts confidence of our clients and our business partners alike. On the employee side, it would also give that kind of a message to them that they will need to continue to innovate and scale up to ensure that they have a bigger impact as we progress with as they progress with the organization.